some Christmas slime.
That's right, Assistant.
So first we gotta go over to our Christmas house to find the base ingredient.
Okay. Then the rest of the stuff has been hidden, right?
Right.
So here are our base.
So we have our mixing bucket right here, our base clear slime, and this is like a mystery bag full of mix-ins.
Why don't we grab that whole table and bring it on out, okay?
Okay.
Here, I'll grab this.
Put this where?
Why don't we take it over in front of your house? Come on, Waffles. We gotta make some Christmas slime. That's just the beginning, Assistant, right?
Right. We have to find the other slimes to put in this.
Yeah, so that was just the base slime. That is it.
I don't start mixing it though, right?
Yeah, we gotta find what you want to use for your special slime.
First, let's check over by the slide, because Waffles loves going down slides.
Waffles, you wanna go down the slide?
Waffles, you want to go down?
You wanna go down the slide?
I don't think she does.
I'm not feeling it today.
Well, look.
It says Candy Cane Crush.
I think these are mix-ins.
Oh, these are special Christmas mixings, huh?
They're fishbowl beads.
Ooh, I don't think we can see it in your hand. Ooh, it looks like super colorful. Those were made by Kawaii Slime, right?
Right. Okay.
All right, so we'll put that over. That's that slime. That's just mixing, right?
Right. Let's go into Christmas Town now.
All right, Waffles, we're going to Christmas Town. Christmas slime. I bet that would make a great song.
Christmas slime, Christmas slime, Christmas slime.
All right.
It's maybe over here. We're in the forest area. Woo! Right here. It's tree slime. Kawaii Tree Farm Cloud Slime.
Ooh, what's it smell like?
It smells like pine.
Oh, it does.
It's cloud slime. So we're gonna mix this in, and it also comes with mix-ins on the top. We have a tree. Here. We have a tree and some sprinkles.
You got quite a few mix-ins now, don't you?
Yes.
All right, so that is one of your specialty slimes to add in, right?
Right, let's keep looking.
Workshop.
Oh, another slime.
Another slime? What's this?
This is Kawaii Candy Cane Cutie.
I can hold this.
Looks like there's no mix-ins on the top of this one, but that's okay. Here.
We have already been used.
Ooh, this feels really nice, like a butter slime. I gotta smell. It smells like candy. No, it smells like a really sweet candy cane.
Can I smell it then?
Like, you know those
candy,
those candy cane mints that you get? They're like in a circle and you can like bite them.
Yeah, they're the buttermint, right? They like melt in your mouth.
It smells like that.
You're right, it tastes just like that. Alright, so here's Snoopy with the hot chocolate sitting by the fire.
I think we have a hot chocolate slime.
I think so too. I wonder if it's out here.
I don't know.
You find something back there?
Yes!
Whoa.
Another slime. It's elf on a slime, butter slime.
Elf on a slime, butter slime?
It has a little elf in it.
I love it.
Whoa. Oh, I don't know how to describe that smell. Maybe like a sweet tart? Yeah. Ooh, this is really satisfying. I think we have all the slimes we need.
we got our 3 different slimes. We can mix them up, make our special Christmas slime. Right, Wops?
Right. I got all 3 slimes, and it's time to go make our slime.
So all those 3, which one is your favorite?
This one.
So the Hawaii Tree Farm is your favorite?
Yes.
Okay.
I like the smell and the color. Oh, this way.
All right, so here we are. We're gonna make the slime.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now we get to look at our secret mix-ins. Some foam cubes. Oh, instant snow.
Ooh.
That might be good. We got a ton of different glitters that we can add. This kind of looks, oh wow.
It's like
Looks like snow.
it's like a glittery.
Almost.
Or
Yeah.
shimmer.
I think there's a few more things. Oh, and more, what are they called?
Charms?
Sparkles? Glitter. Charms and glitter. Okay. It's time to start. Of course, we gotta just add our base first.
Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna do too much because we have a lot of other slimes we can add. Ooh, okay. Adding it to our
Waffles
bucket.
is very interested.
Maybe a little bit more. Okay. We've added our base. Is there any of these things we might want to add before we add our other slimes?
I don't know.
Maybe these foam cubes, I think look really nice.
So some foam cubes.
Yeah, this is how you do them. You put them in, I'll get one out, and then you cover it in the slime like this. You see it? And then
Oh,
you
yeah.
take off the extra slime and you squish it. See in the bubble
I don't know
form.
if it's salt. They saw that. Let's do one more, okay?
Okay,
I don't know if people saw that.
okay. So you get your
Camera
slime
version. Okay.
and you get your thing and you cover it. Then you squish it and a bubble forms.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Okay, so we added our foam cubes. And now I think I want to add, for our first slime, this one.
That's a candy cane, right?
Candy cane cutie. Not a lot, just maybe like, oh, there's a bunch of charms at the bottom. This is where they went.
Oh, okay.
Little windy out. Okay,
Waffles, what do you think about the wind?
this is just to give it some pink color.
You can watch. Whoa. All right, so pink color, there it is. Okay. Into our bowl.
Now we add another mix in, because why not? We're gonna add these fishbowl beads.
Okay.
Now we're going to add our elf slime.
Elf slime. And you said it smells like a sweet tart?
Yeah, I don't know how else to describe it.
Here, I'll see if I can smell it. Yeah, sweet tart's probably as good as anything. It's not real strong.
No. Which is sometimes a good thing with slimes.
Oh, you dropped this glitter. Star-shaped glitter.
Okay, this is like kind of a a basicer color, so we're just gonna add a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like it might be a little, you might have a little in your hair that you get to.
Oh, that's
Deal
not good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start mixing this a little bit
Okay.
for when we add our final slime.
The tree farm.
Yes. And to get some of it off of my hands. Now we're gonna need to add a lot of the tree farm in there
Okay.
to get it the nice Christmas green color.
Tree farm's right here.
Uh-huh. Putting the lid on.
Here to help.
Tree farm. Okay. Just kidding.
That'd be a lot of tree farm.
Probably a lot of scent as well. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add a little more. Now for the fun part, more mix-ins.
More mix-ins, huh?
I think I really want to add this the shimmery stuff to it.
Okay. No one's gonna stop you, including waffles.
Okay, ready? Here I go. Can you see it?
Not really.
Oh, that was a lot.
That's a lot of shimmery stuff.
Okay, now since I kind of felt around the consistency of this, so I'm gonna add more base.
That's the great thing about your Christmas slime. You can do however you want to. Whatever feels right.
Okay. Now we mix together. Oh, this is very shimmery. Oh. Wow. Just gonna go ahead and mix that together.
And you know what? Making slime outside is definitely better than inside, where you can get on your carpet.
Just make sure you clean up everything.
Yep. Try not to get in your hair. We had a friend one time who got a lot in their hair, and that was bad.
Wasn't me.
Well, you got some in your hair this time, though.
Yeah. Not a lot, though.
Not a lot. Not a lot.
Okay, right now we have a good marble color.
Oh, look at that.
Green and pink. I think this is our finished slime product. We still have some stuff in there, but that's okay.
All right, can I see it? How does it smell?
It smells a lot like our pine.
Yeah, the pine really goes, it's like a pepperminty pine, right?
Yes.
So you go pull inside, I'll pull. Oh, this is like
This is some strong slime, which is good, because it has to be able to last through the winter.
That's right. It's our special Christmas slime. We're actually going to put it on our tree.
Yes, this is going to decorate our Christmas tree. Let's see if Waffles likes the smell.
Waffles Jackson. Mrs. Engineer probably won't let us do
you
that.
like the smell? I'll leave that.
No, you can't lick it. Waffles, don't lick it. We don't need to lick the slime.
Ta-da! And that's our finished product.
So we had fun mixing together our special Christmas slime.
And finding our slime
Yeah.
in Christmas Town.
It's something that everybody can do. We use some kawaii slime, but you can use whatever, even the slime you make yourself, right?
Yeah, you can make your own slimes and maybe mix them up, make a few different ones, and then mix them all up to create a special, unique slime.
That's right. All right, so what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!